Currently, Berkshire Hathaway has an equity value of $299 billion. Over the past 40 years, Berkshire Hathaway has had a 19% per share average return, while the S&P in that same time has had only a return of 8%. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway reduced its holdings in 8 companies according to their 13F portfolio filing for the fourth quarter of 2022 that ended on December 31st. Berkshire's largest holding is in the technology sector, making up roughly 45% of the portfolio, with Apple as its primary stock. Despite a difficult macroeconomic environment and significant supply constraints, Apple grew total company revenue on a constant currency basis, said Luca Maestri, Apple's chief financial officer. Apple generated $34 billion in operating cash flow and returned over $25 billion to shareholders, achieving a 3-year earnings per share growth rate of 27.2%. Another testament to Buffett's philosophy of investing in companies that demonstrate consistent growth over time. Berkshire also added 0.04% of Apple and currently hold well over 895 million shares with an estimated value of $137 billion. Berkshire also added 2.65% of Paramount Global, bringing their current amount to 93,637,189 shares. Paramount Global is a leading global media, streaming, and entertainment company, with popular networks such as CBS, Showtime Networks, Paramount Pictures, Nickelodeon, MTV, Comedy Central, and BET. Paramount Global has increased their global streaming subscribers by 38% year over year to 77.3 million subscribers, and Paramount Plus subscribers grew 70% year over year to 55.9 million subscribers. They are also the #1 premium streaming service in domestic signups through March 2021 through 2022. Since 2019, about 5 million people each year have cut the cord on cable. Berkshire also increased its position in Louisiana Pacific Core. Their current share amount sits at over 7 million shares, representing a 21.55% add from the last period. Their primary market are consumers of engineered wood siding. Buffett reduced his positions in Chevron Corp, Activision Blizzard, Kroger, Bank of New York Mellon Corp, McKesson Corp, Ally Financial, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., and U.S. Bank Corp. Their 3 largest position moves were in Bank of New York Mellon Corp, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, and U.S. Bank Corp. They hold more than 52 million shares in Activision, 2.8 million in McKesson Corp. All 3 companies individually make up less than 1% of Berkshire's holdings. Apple, Bank of America, Chevron, Coca-Cola, and American Express continue to make up the largest portion of Berkshire's top holdings. Make sure to watch next. SVB Bank Collapse Explained.